For today's video, we will be going over the many uses for the Vicrez VZR101 Auto Plastic Repair Kit. For this particular project, we will be filling up the side marker areas of the front quarter fenders of our Challenger Demon Wide Body Kit, item number VZ101488. Since we use a 2015 Dodge Challenger to model off of our wide body kit, this is a modification you will need to do to your 2008 to 2014 Challenger, unless you also buy our Demon front bumper, VZ101767. But for the purpose of this video, let's just say you have a 2008 to 2014 Challenger and you would rather just go with the fenders. This video will be perfect for you. Our first step is to sand down the surface area. This will allow the adhesive to properly attach to the surface. It will also help remove contaminants and any oily residue. Use a coarse sandpaper, such as 36 grit. The rough texture and grooves from the sanding will help with the bonding process. Once you have finished the sanding, wipe the area completely clean to remove any dust. Glue a piece of cardboard in the gap of both of the fender flares to help frame the adhesive and set the shape. Make sure to glue the cardboard slightly below the surface to allow for buildup. Please note, prior to using the two-component adhesive, dispense a small amount of material from the cartridge to ensure an even flow of both components. The material will be black if both components are mixed evenly. You can also mix the components manually. Make sure you mix a 1-to-1 equal ratio from the contents of both cylinders. A measuring scale will be required for this process if you do not use a dispenser. Apply the adhesive to the gap of the fender flares. Fill and build the area slightly higher to allow for sanding down the adhesive to shape it. More than one coat may be required. Wait 15 to 20 minutes for the adhesive to cure. After everything has cured, use your sandpaper to remove any rough areas and to shape it to the contours of your fender flare. Next, refine the area using a 80 grit sandpaper. Check the surface often with your hand for smoothness. You want the repair to be a seamless transition from one area to the next. Finish sanding with a 150 grit or higher sandpaper to refine the 80 grit scratches. After you have finished sanding, wipe the surface thoroughly to remove any dust. You can now paint the fender flares. Match the paint according to your car. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome videos, and also subscribe to our newsletters for exclusive promotions and discounts sent to your inbox.